Hey everybody, welcome back to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie and it's time for Tuesday's 60-second DIY. It is so quick and easy. Well, what's it going to be today? I'm using all supplies from Walmart and I'm using a big giant jar. And I'm wondering if you can guess I'm going to be using some candy. Also at the end, I've got a special bonus DIY. So stay tuned to Tuesday's 60-second DIY. It's quick and easy. And before we start the clock, let's look at our supplies. So you can use any jar that you'd like on this DIY. These are some from Dollar Tree that you can usually always find. And there's a square one. Also, if you have some old jars laying around, but it really does need a lid. And then I have that giant pickle jar. I also got this very nice Santa's hat from Walmart. This is my dad's old belt that I just had to use. I know he would have loved that. And then a whole bunch of red candy. And we'll talk about the candy in just a little bit. So the clock has started and I'm getting ready to put this hat on. So I love this hat because it's a little bit nicer quality than you find at Dollar Tree. It did cost $2.98 and I'm so glad that I splurged a little bit and got it. And as you can see, I'm just hot gluing it and then I kind of flipped it over. And this kind of material really made it fall nicely and didn't look like it was, kind of flapped over. And I'm just making sure that the belt is on there nice and snug. Looks good to me. So the hat's all dry and it fits perfectly over the cap. I love how it just falls over. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. And now it's time to fill it with red candy. 13 seconds to go. I love these cherry sours. They are so good. And I got them from Walmart. You can use any color that you want, but red looks like Santa's suit. I also put in hot tamales and then some of those red hots. And like I said, if you make a smaller version, you won't need as many, but I just love this. And I tell you a secret, I did this last year and it was in one of my jar episodes and it was before I did the 60-second DIY and I just had to share it again. I love this piece. It is so cute and I hope you can make yours today. And now it's time for my bonus DIY. Last week, I made these really pretty Christmas trees using puffy paint on these old boards that I had. And as I was looking at it, I saw that there was a hole like that one. And I thought, wait a minute, let's add some more holes, grab some lights from Dollar Tree, and let's put them in the holes to light the Christmas tree. I cannot tell you how cute this turned out. So the one thing I will warn you is when you do this, don't do the lights too far apart so that they'll fit in there. And so I just taped them all in there. And then I had some raffia at the bottom and I just put the little battery pack right in there. And I'm trying to hold it and do it with one hand because I've got the camera in my other one. And look how this turned out. It is on my mantle right now. I love it. It just brightened it all up. So I took one DIY and turned it into an even better DIY. This was so easy and inexpensive to put together and looks so high end. What do you think? I love it. Thank you so much for joining me today on Tuesday's 60-second DIY. I also want to thank all my subscribers and everyone that comments down below. You leave me such sweet messages and I just love chatting with you. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you Saturday for another full DIY episode. So thanks for joining me on Soozie Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye everybody.